Hi guys, so today I'd like to show you a party makeup for acne prone skin with glittery grey eyelids and nude lip. Enjoy! As you can see, I've got already foundation on my skin. I used IFA HD Dual Foundation in the shade Light, and I used this as a concealer a little bit as well. And to put my foundation on, I use Beauty Blender. So here, as you can see, I'm using Bourjois palette with the lightest shade first, and Zoeva brush number 234, and then I'm using Real Technics brush. It's a number 203 with a little bit darker shade, and I'm using this in my crease and outer corner of my eye because I've got hooded eyes and I don't want it to be seen, so I try to cover this with the eyeshadow. And yes, here I'm using the darkest shade from this palette. It's called I Love Blue, and I use 322 brow line brush just to make cut shape eyeliner, and I use it in my upper eyelashes. And as you can see, I've got very problematic skin, so I want foundation to be natural and the same time as full coverage, let's say. I like this foundation, but it's not ideal for me. So here I will use the darkest shade and put it on my lower lash line with the Smudger brush number 226 from Zoeva. It makes your eyes bigger and looks quite nice for a party look. And now I will use a glitter part from this palette, and with Zoeva brush on the actually whole lid. And here I'm using Glitter Ice Press Glitter Silver with Sephora lip brush. It was limited edition, a gorgeous brush, but I don't know the name. I think it didn't have any name on it. And now eyelashes, I'm using mascara from Rimmel Volume Shake mascara. I liked it, but it's not like one mascara. And here I'm using beige shades, Coastal Scents palette and dark grey. And I'll do my brows now because the right one is already done. I'm doing the left one with the brush from Zoeva number 317. And now with Pear's transparent taupe and then the spoolie brush, I just brush my eyebrows and it will let me hold my brows in place for the whole day, whole night. And now when it comes to face, I will use Tarte shape concealer in the shade Light Scent underneath my eyes with Real Technics deluxe crease brush, and then in the places when I need to highlight or to cover something, as you can see, it's a lot of this, and the same brush, just in patting motions because I don't want it to slide off my foundation. Yeah, and then I'll use Kryolan transparent powder and Bobi Brown puff just to set everything in place. The combination is good. I really need to use powder but on a daily basis I try to avoid it because it breaks me out. Now Sephora Bronzer Compact 01 with Zoeva brush number 106, and I'll just use it where the sun normally hits you. And now with some random fan brush, I will use Sleek Contour Kit in the shade Light. I will contour my nose, my forehead, cheeks and chin. Double chin, go away. And now with Zoeva brush number 310, I will use again Pear foundation where it's needed, because sometimes foundation and concealer slides and I want to keep it natural, so I just use it in places that my skin needs and under my eyebrows, just to have like very natural and sharp at the same time eyebrows. Blush from Coastal Sands with ID Flawless Face Brush from Escentuals. And when it comes to lips, I use Oriflame Jordani Gold Lipstick in a silky nude, and lip liner from Miss Sporty in a shade Coffee on top, and in the end Hollister Super Gloss. So that's it for today, and if you like the tutorial, please give me some thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.